the bottom part of the press together using
Tight Bond 2 glue.
Tight Bond 2. This glue's no joke. Gotta act quickly as soon as you get it on there. We just fine shaved all the wood pieces down to make them smoother and cleaner. You want to do that before you apply glue to any wood. But basically, yeah, we got to seal them off on all sides like that, and put them together, put the studs through, and then we'll be looking up on the finishing parts of this project. So we just finished up session 3 of the snowboard press build, and it's looking absolutely great. As you can see, we have the top piece and the bottom. We're just fully glued, really solid clamps on here, really quality clamps holding this down right now. This is going to seal really well after it's done sealing and just sitting for a good while, probably 24 hours, and come back through, sand everything down, smooth it up. Coming down to the end of it, fabricating the bolts right now. Custom fabricated bolts in the metal shop. Not only does he have a wood shop, Mr.O Chain also has the metal shop. So after many hours in Mr.O Chain's shop, we finally completed this press. Really happy with the outcome. We got 2x4s on the top and bottom, 14 pressure points that these metal bolts run through, metal threading in the bottom 2x4. That gives us all the clamping power we need between the top and bottom of the press. And it's 64 inches in length by 14 inches width. Those are the specs for this press, and really happy with the way this project went and the final outcome. Looking forward to pressing a bunch of decks.